Have you ever wondered which outdoor security camera actually gives you peace of mind? Without monthly bills, tech headaches, or fuzzy footage? Well, today we're going to dive deep into the 5 best outdoor security cameras of 2025. Whether you want all-around coverage, solar power, or full integration with your smart home, we've got something here for every kind of user and budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Kicking things off at number 5, we have the Wyze Cam Pan V3, our pick for the best budget pan and tilt camera. If you're looking for wide coverage without spending a fortune, this camera gets the job done. It delivers 1080-pixel full HD video, color night vision, and a full 360-degree pan with 180-degree tilt, all controllable through the Wyze app. It's IP65 rated, which means it can handle outdoor weather, but you'll need to grab the outdoor adapter separately. What makes it stand out is the intelligent motion tracking that smoothly follows movement, be it a curious pet or a potential intruder. Two-way audio, smart assistant compatibility, and privacy mode round out the package. It's not as high-res as others on this list, but if you're on a tight budget and want full motorized coverage with ease of setup, this one is ideal for renters, small home entrances, or people testing their first smart security cam. Coming in at number 4, we have the Blink Outdoor 4, our pick for the best long battery life camera. This one's designed for simplicity. With 2 years of battery life on just AA batteries, it's great for people who want a reliable set-it-and-forget-it solution. It offers 1080-pixel HD video, infrared night vision, two-way audio, and improved motion detection with instant smartphone alerts. It works seamlessly with Alexa and gives you storage options via cloud or local sync module. If one downside, you'll need a paid subscription to unlock person detection features. But overall, it's incredibly low maintenance and perfect for folks who don't want to deal with recharging or hardwiring. If you want a hands-off camera with decent performance and full smart home compatibility, this one is a great fit for busy homeowners and minimalists alike. Taking the number 3, we have the Arlo Pro 5S 2K, our pick for the best all-weather performance. This camera is rugged, powerful, and built to go the distance. With 4 times the battery life of regular cams, you're looking at months of continuous use before needing a recharge. The camera captures crisp 2K resolution, includes color night vision and two-way talk, plus has a built-in spotlight for added deterrence. Its 130-degree wide view is ideal for porches, yards, or even garages. The Arlo app gives you full control, including live streaming, motion alerts, and even a remote-triggered siren. While advanced features like object recognition and fire alerts require a paid plan, the core features are excellent right out of the box. For those who want a weatherproof, high-performing camera without babysitting the battery every week, this one's a reliable choice for larger properties and variable climates. Runner-up at number 2, we have the Reolink Duo 2 LTE, our pick for the best solar-powered 4K camera. If maximum coverage and ultra-sharp video are on your wish list, this one hits all the marks. It features dual 4K lenses, stitched into a seamless 180-degree view, and utilizes Color X technology for vivid night vision. It also boasts advanced AI motion detection to eliminate false alerts. The built-in Wi-Fi 6 ensures smoother, faster streaming with minimal lag, and the included 6-watt solar panel means just 10 minutes of sun can power the camera for a full day. No cloud subscription is needed here. Just pop in a micro SD or connect to the Reolink hub for local storage. The setup might take a bit more effort, but the payoff is a feature-rich system that runs efficiently and delivers crystal-clear footage. It's a perfect fit for homeowners who want a high-end solution without ongoing costs. Finally, at number 1, we have the EufiCam 4K Security Kit, our pick for the best outdoor security camera system overall. This all-in-one beast includes 4 wireless cameras with 2K HDR video, 12x zoom, color night vision, and swappable rechargeable batteries to eliminate downtime. The kit connects via dual-band Wi-Fi and offers smart motion alerts, remote spotlight activation, a built-in siren, and two-way audio. It integrates smoothly with Alexa, Google, and Apple HomeKit. While Eufy offers premium features like facial recognition and package detection with a subscription, even the base functionality is powerful. The setup is smooth, and the system delivers comprehensive home protection from every angle. This is the go-to option for large homes or anyone serious about total surveillance coverage with minimal fuss. If you want pro-grade security without hiring a team, this kit brings it all home.